viewers, welcome to Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. Today I have brought in another interesting recipe, a gravy made with lady's finger. So I am going to prepare and show you. Let's go for the preparation process. I have taken a heavy bottom kadai. Now once the kadai is heated, I am going to take 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is heated, I am going to add the lady's finger. I have taken half kg of lady's finger and I have washed them thoroughly and cut them into medium pieces. So I am going to add this lady's finger. Keep the flame low. And add them. Let the lady's finger cook for 5 to 10 minutes in a low flame. Now you can see here, after 10 minutes, the stickiness of the lady's finger has been reduced. So at this stage, you can add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and little pepper to it for a good taste and flavor. Give a mix. Add salt according to the taste. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon. Give a gentle mix and cover it with the lid and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Meantime, when the lady's fingers are cooked, we will take the mixer and grind the paste for gravy. I am going to take 7 to 8 large sizes of coconut, which I have cut them into small pieces for grinding. Along with this, I am adding ginger and garlic chopped. I have taken 4 garlics and 1 large size ginger and 1 large size tomatoes. So this goes for grinding. Now I am going to open the lid after 10 minutes. You can see here the lady's finger is cooked well. The sticky texture of the lady's finger is reduced. So at this stage, you can remove the lady's finger into a plate and keep it aside. So now you can see here I have grinded the masala paste with coconut, tomato, ginger and garlic. So this we will keep it aside. Now I have taken a bottom kadai and again heated the oil. 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil I have taken. Once when the oil is heated, you can add all the items like mustard, 1 teaspoon. Once the mustard splatters, you can have 1 teaspoon of add cumin seeds, badi som, 1 teaspoon of badi som, then you can add 2 large size green chilies and curry leaves. Then you can add onions, 1 large size onions I have taken. Let the onion turn to translucent. Now you can see here the onions have well cooked. Now I am going to add the 1 medium size tomato. Tomato cook for 1 minute. Now you can see here the onions and tomatoes are well cooked. At this stage I am going to add the paste which we have prepared. Keep the flame in low. To it, we are going to add now all the masalas. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. So I am going to add together. Now let the raw smell of the masalas go. So till that you have to keep the flame in sim and let the masala cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now you can see here the sides of the kadai oil is being separated from the masala. So at this stage the masala is cooked. Now I am going to add water to make it a gravy. So this is first water I have mixed it from the mixer jar. This is approximately 1 glass of water. Keep the flame high. Now I am going to add 2 to 3 glass of water. You can adjust water according to the thickness of the gravy you required. If you want to have with rice, you can keep the gravy little more watery consistency, like pouring consistency. If you want it for chapati or naan, you can keep it little more thicker. As coconut is being added, the gravy while cooking it becomes thicker. So adjust the water according to the gravy as your choice. Now let it come to boiling point. Let it boil. Keep the flame high and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see here the gravy is well cooked. So at this stage you can add the lady's finger which we have fried and kept it before. I'm going to add this. I'm going to add salt according to the taste. At this point you can check the taste of spices and salt. I have taken here half glass of tamarind diluted. I have soaked one ball of tamarind into water. Then I have taken the tamarind water. I have taken approximately half the glass. This we are going to add after 5 to 10 minutes. At the end, this will give you a tangy flavor along with the lady's finger. Let it cook. Cover with the lid. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes so that the lady's finger will absorb the taste of the masalas of the gravy. After 5 minutes, you can see here it has been cooked well. I get a nice flavor of lady's finger and coconut. At this stage, I am going to add the tamarind juice. Keep the flame little high. You can see here there is no sticky flavor. There is no sticky texture of the lady's finger here. It has come very perfect. You can see the gravy is separated and the lady's finger is separated. There is no any stickiness in the gravy. So it means the gravy is well cooked. Now at this point you can check the taste of the masalas and salt according to your requirement. Once it comes to the boiling temperature and the oil, you can see here the oil is being left from the gravy. At this stage you can switch off the stove. If you want to reduce the gravy more, you can keep it for more 5 minutes, but it will give you a very thick consistency. So that time you can have it like that with the chapati or naan. So at this point I am going to off the flame and I am going to go for the serving process. So I am going to switch off the stove. I am going to take it in a serving bowl. You can see here the gravy has come very well. You can check out here. The gravy, lady's finger gravy is ready to serve. I have taken it a little pouring consistency for rice. You can make it even thicker for chapatis. Generally, lady's finger is very good source of iron. So all the age group can have, especially for children's growing children, because it's very good for brain development. I hope you like my recipe. If so, do subscribe and like my channel Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. Enjoy my viewers. Thank you.